Day 2, Homebase. Hi, welcome to Day 2 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here. And today, I'll be introducing you to your home base. This course is about showing you two things: how to meditate and how meditation works. Once you start to understand what's going on in your mind and body when you meditate, you start to become your own teacher. This means that your mental health no longer depends on the teachings of some Shaolin monk from China, or in this case, a random black dude in his therapy office somewhere in Arizona. And that's because the teacher is inside you. For me, the key to becoming this teacher is about understanding the core muscles that work when we meditate. There are 4 different core muscle groups we use during every meditation: concentration, clarity, equanimity, and compassion. Again and again, over the next 20 days, we will exercise these muscles. And it all starts today with the first muscle we focus on, and that's concentration. Concentration is our ability to choose what we want to pay attention to. The big idea here is that we don't have to let our minds be unconsciously hijacked by just whatever comes along. In meditation, we prevent this from happening by using something called a home base. And in today's session, that's what we'll be figuring out: your home base. Let's get started. Okay, so find a comfortable position, eyes open or closed, whatever feels right for you. If your eyes are open, keep the gaze soft, looking at the ground in front of you. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths in together. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you take another deep breath in, I want you to bring your full attention to the feeling of the incoming breath. And then as you exhale out, there's like a downward motion, like you're sinking into the cushion. On this next inhale in, it's like you're stretching out the spine, finding a little bit of alertness. And then as you exhale out, notice if there's any tension in your body. Softening your shoulders, relaxing the belly, easing any worry lines that might be in your forehead. With every exhale, imagine that you're breathing out any tension. Just start to settle in here. Keep breathing. As we ease into the meditation, it's important that we set our meditative attitude. The vibe that we're going for is easy going. We're not uptight about things being perfect, and we're keeping in mind that this easygoing attitude is at the foundation of meditation. So if your environment is a little noisy, if your body's a bit uncomfortable, If there's distractions around you, no problem. You're letting all the imperfections of life be there because life isn't always going to be perfect. And when it's not, we trust our ability to endure any obstacle that might come our way. Keep going. Good. So, the idea behind today's session is to find your home base. A home base is just a really simple sensation that you focus on. It can be the sensation of the breath traveling up and down your throat. It can be sounds or hums in your environment, or it might be some point on the body, like your foot falling asleep, or the feeling of clothes on your skin. The idea is to hold your attention here. When your mind wanders, which is completely normal, you come back. And every time you come back and you refocus on your home base, your concentration muscle gets stronger. It's like a bench press for the mind. And with time and consistency, our mind gets stronger and more settled. So let's choose a home base. I want you to commit to a point or sensation to pay attention to, and then come back to it when we get distracted. If you don't know what home base to pick, a lot of people really like using the breath as their home base. It's my personal favorite, so let's just start there. For the next little while, try to notice the soft feeling of the breath at your nostrils, or maybe the breath traveling down your throat, or even your belly as it expands while you breathe in, and see how you enjoy it. Try this for a bit. As you're doing this, see how into the feeling of breathing you can get. So you're practicing enjoying the breath, appreciating the simplicity of not having to do anything else. Just being with your body breathing. When your mind wanders, you gently come back. And remember that wandering and coming back is what meditation's all about. Every time we do this, we build up our muscle of being able to pay attention. Keep going. The mind wanders and you come on back. We're almost done. So for this last little bit here, you can stop paying attention to your home base and just let yourself completely drift and do nothing. President Franklin Delano Roosevelt said it best: peace begins at home. Although meditation helps us relax, it's also a kind of exercise for the mind, teaching us how to pay attention. What do you want to fill your attention with in life? You can choose to fill it with something stressful, or you can fill it with something peaceful. You have the ability, the power to choose. Okay, when you're ready, open your eyes. Tomorrow, we're finding you the right posture. See you then.